Buenos dias from Tamarindo, Costa Rica. Hey guys, we're taking the blood pressure down, down, down. Hey, we're leaving the Carolina lifestyle for the Costa Rica Pura Vida life. And if you like surfing, hey, we got some great videos of that December 27th swell, west, northwest pumping right over there in the river mouth. So check it out. But hey, join me and my family as we set off on an epic Costa Rica adventure. It's family time in Tamarindo. Pura Vida, baby.
Welcome to Birdie's Beers and Bros. Today, we're coming to you from the stunning beaches of Tamarindo, Costa Rica. Let's dive into the magic of this tropical paradise. Tamarindo is a surfer's dream come true. With its steady swells, warm waters, and laid-back vibe, it's no wonder surfers from around the globe call this place home. Whether you're a seasoned pro or catching your first wave, Tamarindo delivers. Beyond the surf, Tamarindo is a haven for families. Imagine ziplining through the jungle canopy, discovering hidden waterfalls, or take a surfboat trip to Witch's Rock. This town is proof that adventure is for everyone. We chatted with the locals about what makes Tamarindo so unique.
I'm here with Gaston at Tamarindo. He was out there, one of the locals, ripping it up, one of the ticos. One of the biggest days I've seen ever besides Hawaii for South Carolina. How good was it yesterday? That's really good to throw with you. He was ripping it up. Yeah. We did what we kept. So hey, the channel is about golf and having a good time. Fire Conchel is right around the corner over there. Where else can we come with Tamarindo? And you like golf too, right?
Yeah, yes, sir. I'm really bad, but I like it.
So where else do you play here?
Yeah, there's one close by is Pinilla Golf Course.
Pretty good.
18 holes, amazing, really beautiful course.
Me in South Carolina, we play golf and we drink beer. In Costa Rica, what beer do you drink? And we go Imperial. It's the official beer Costa Rica. But hey, come see Gaston at Tamarindo. He'll hook you up with some rentals. Definitely be out there ripping. See it. Well, yeah. We're at Costa Rica. Waves were pumping yesterday with a man Gucci from Banana Surf Shop. Come to Costa Rica. Gotta come by here and rent a board. Hundreds of boards available. You can bring the board back as many times as you want. Test it out. Great surf shop. Great gear inside. But listen, what do we say in Costa Rica? What do we say in Costa Rica? Pura vida, surfer every day. Yes, sir.
I thought I saw a crocodile, but it was not.
Birdies, beers, and bros, but no birdies today. We are waxing the forge down in Costa Rica. Nearest golf course way over there in Playa Conchel, but the old man's going to try to take it out here. We got rocks. You can't have a beer belly out here today. You can't have a $500 alligator belt on with your golf shorts. We're going to have to go out here. We have to use some serious paddling, dodge the rocks. It's shallow, and we got pumping less swell. So we're going to see if I still got it. But we got wax on the boards, beers in the cooler, overhead sets. We'll drink you some Imperial Lights after we're done here. Let's go.
Oh yeah. Listen, get a little nervous. See if the old man still got it.
Got my board here, same board I rented from the Ant Surf Shop right next door. Check Cocky after Costa Rica. Here we go.
Way overhead out there, the locals are ripping it up, drinking an Imperial Light, the official beer of Costa Rica. That's all we're drinking on this trip. We're having a good time.
are like this in certain
Surfing wasn't the only water sport we tried while in Costa Rica. Check us out on the jet skis. It was an absolute blast. While the surf is definitely the main attraction here, Costa Rica offers countless excursions to experience in this land of wonder. For an adrenaline rush, check out the off-roading adventures. It's a guaranteed thrill. Waterfalls are another must-see, and a favorite among tourists for good reason. They're truly some of the most spectacular in the entire Western Hemisphere. At night, Costa Rica transforms into a haven of breathtaking sunsets and a culinary wonderland.
Hey everyone, we are at Agua Salada for dinner and we had an awesome day at the ATVs and jet skiing. Highly recommend. The rain definitely didn't stop us and we love Costa Rica. Pura vida.
Fresh seafood, expertly crafted cocktails, locally brewed beers, and a variety of mouth-watering culinary delights unfold before your eyes in this magical place. We soaked in the vibrant music, savored the delicious food, and cherished the time spent together.
What was that?
Squid ink mashed potatoes.
Trying my first squid ink mashed potatoes.
It looks like ink.
Tastes like potatoes.
Well, it's pretty good. It tastes like mashed potatoes. Pretty good.
Going across real Indiana Jones Bridge. Look at that guy. Look at that guy right there. He's got his mouth open. Oh my. Oh yeah. This is, oh, whoa, 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 whoa. That was a little sketchy. That was a little sketchy. We got these little safety clips on, but I don't know if these gators or crocodiles wouldn't jump up and just bite my leg off. That's pretty cool. That was a good time. Diamante Eco Adventure Park. That's up there, guys. One of the tops of the trip. Took off from the beach. First fishing trip for these girls. Surfing trip.
Riding horse on the beach is one of the most calming and exhilarating things to do in Costa Rica. And everyone had an amazing time on these beautiful horses as a family.
Hey everyone, I'm going to tell you a few of my highlights from our trip to Costa Rica in 2024. My first was our favorite restaurant at Agua Salada in Tamarindo.
My favorite restaurant was Agua Salada.
My favorite restaurant was Agua Salada with the fried red snapper. You gotta try it.
And my favorite restaurant in Tamarindo, Costa Rica was the Bamboo Sushi. My favorite restaurant was the Ocean Restaurant. And my favorite excursion that we went on was the La Leona Waterfalls.
And my favorite excursion was the La Leona excursion with the waterfall and hiking and tubing.
And my favorite excursion was the jet ski and four-wheeler. And my favorite excursion was the ATV and the jet skis where you can book directly through the Hotel Diria. We had a great time and can't wait to make more memories next year. Bye!
Everybody, thank you so much for joining our family on this epic Costa Rica adventure. My favorite was the surf. December 27th, 2024. I'll never forget it. Some of the best waves that I've ever surfed in my life. Everybody, thanks for joining my family on this epic Costa Rican adventure. I hope you enjoyed the big waves and the awesome adventures. Madre, what'd you think?
Amazing vacation. Guys, put those golf clubs up for 1 week. Bring your family, trip of a lifetime, make memories. Pura vida.
Hey, keep making birdies. Subscribe. Pura vida. Cheers.
Pura vida.
Pura vida, baby.
Pura vida.
Okay. Pura vida.
Hey guys, I'm gonna tell y'all my favorite restaurant in Costa Rica. My favorite, I can't do this.
My favorite restaurant was
And my favorite excursion was
My favorite restaurant was, what's it called again?
Hi everyone, the grilled salmon sushi, wait no that's not the name of it, hold on. And my favorite excursion that we went on was the La Leona, wait, hold on. What is it called?
3, 2, 1, go.
Thanks for joining us on Birdie's Beers and Bro. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified of some of our awesome new content coming your way on Birdie's Beers and Bros.